Have you been looking for acreage in south side of Williamson County that is ready to build? Bring your builder, and it has all the utilities already set up. We'd love to tell you about our lots at Cross Keys. These are 5 and 6 acre parcels we are offering that already have the water taps installed, electric run to each building site, as well as the high-speed internet, fiber internet, and all the septic already approved. 5 bedroom perk sites. We have 3 lots available, and we might have something special to show you on one of them. We are standing on lot 1, which offers 5.91 acres, a completely cleared and flat build site, as you can see. Again, septic is already approved by Williamson County for a 5-bedroom perk site. The water taps have already been installed by Williamson County. Electric has been run to each build site, not just the lot, and you have AT&T fiber out here. So if you have a music studio, a business you need to run out here, this could be a great place for your future home or business. Welcome to lot 3 of this small 3-lot development here in Williamson County. We are 11 minutes from the new June Lake exit. This lot particularly is 5.01 acres, offers a completely flat and cleared build site, is already perked for a 5-bedroom home, and is at the very end of the private drive that they've created for this Cross Keys development here. Your septic is already approved and ready to go. It is bring your builder ready. You don't have to wait 2 years for a house in Williamson County for all of the approvals. These 3 lots, and this lot specifically, can offer you that privacy and also get you that house by the end of 2025. And here on lot 2 at Cross Keys, you can hear we are in the middle of installing our roof to our modern farmhouse located on 5 acres. This modern farmhouse offers 4,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, a bonus room, a very curated high-end finish, which is what we are used to with our art construction builders. Why don't we go inside and see what they're doing during framing? Welcome to the entryway of our new construction here, located in the south part of Williamson County, 11 minutes from the June Lake exit. We are in this beautiful foyerway with 12-foot ceilings. I see a beautiful entryway table here with some beautiful art on top. Inside this living room, we have a 2-level living room here with a hand-applied plaster that is going to go on this fireplace, and lights inset for the arched bookshelves. I think it's going to be a really beautiful moment once it's all together. We are walking to this back porch area, which is right off of the dining room and all backs up to family land in the back. So you have the utmost privacy and serene to put a pool back here, to put an outdoor kitchen back here, to just close the retractable screens and have just a moment of peace back here. Let's walk to the master bedroom and see what it has to offer. As we tour the primary suite of our Cross Keys build, you can see again, we have these massive 15-foot ceilings. The back of the house actually faces the back part of the property, so you see the trees, a potential pool back there, and you don't have any kind of view of the front of the house. But as we move, and these windows are gonna have a black iron window in them, so it is a true modern, beautiful, kind of upscale curated farmhouse is the vibe that the builder is going for. We are entering the bathroom of the primary suite. You can see that we are framed and getting ready to install a 0-entry shower here. We will also have a tub in front of this beautiful window. Again, look at this view out here. I will soak in a tub and look in this view any day. And then separate vanities on either side, and linen closet, of course, a private toilet room, and then look at this master closet. We are gonna leave this a white box for you so that anything that you need, we will install it for you. Whether it's drawers, dress hanging, pants, shirts, things like that. And of course, this is probably my favorite feature of the closet, which is not normal because we love clothes, but this amazing double hung window that faces the other half of the 5-acre lot.